If you edit in Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects, you definitely need this. I want to share something with you, and that is that today is Black Friday at Juice. What I want to show you is a plugin. They have a free plugin that comes with several options where you can use audio, video, effects, and it's completely free. However, there are some paid options, and that's what I want to show you right now. Look, everything here can be implemented in all the programs you see: After Effects, DaVinci, Final Cut, OBS, Premiere, and Sony Vegas. I mean, literally, this works for any program you want to use. Check this out, they have this bundle that I recently got, and it costs $747, but honestly, the cost-benefit ratio is really good because you save a ton of time when editing. I'll show you in a bit, just hang tight. The thing is, they have this on Black Friday, and it usually costs a lot more because there are tons of plugins and programs bundled into one plugin. You can get stuff for editing your YouTube videos, professional projects, wedding videos, party videos. Basically, you can do anything here. They even have pre-made animations so you don't have to stress about creating everything from scratch. I mainly use it in Adobe Premiere, but you can use it in After Effects if you want, like I mentioned earlier. Now, the thing is, we can open Premiere. I have this video that I was editing recently. Once you buy the packages, you'll see the free ones pop up here. These are the ones you can use. For example, check this out. It has animations. Remember, this is completely free, but what I want to show you is the paid stuff. So, let's go back to the start. Here's the store, which I don't have everything from because, honestly, I wouldn't want to get it all, but everything has a price, so you have to analyze what you really need. I actually have the majority of things, and just to give you an example, look at everything I have here. It's literally amazing what you can get. So, let's scroll up and see what they can offer us. For example, here in Movies, let's install this Movie Special. Basically, it's dedicated to movie editing. So look, if I hover the cursor over it for a moment, it gives me a preview of what I can achieve with this pack. There's the preview. Let's wait for it to load, and we'll use it. So here comes the first thing, which is like a kind of sand or dirt floating in the air. Then we have things like energy over here. Look how it moves. You can just double-click, and it'll show up here. For example, this video has nothing to do with movies, but we can add this smoke. The good thing about this is that you don't have to search for anything anywhere else. Every now and then, it brings updates. Look, it actually says update available here. I don't have it updated. It's not fully up to date with everything new, but I just double-click it, and it says importing in progress. Now it shows up. So now I just need to go to the effects control and set the blending mode to screen so it disappears and shows up here. Look, it's like smoke. So that's about this. But buying just one specific effect isn't a big deal. The real deal is to buy the whole package together to see what it includes. So in this case, it just updated, and now it has more smoke effects and stuff, but we're going to look for this lens flare, which usually is sold separately, especially for YouTube, which is specifically for YouTubers, and packages for different programs. So, a package for Adobe Premiere, another for After Effects, for DaVinci, etc., for those who need it. But in my case, I want this kind of stuff because every now and then, there are videos I need to make this way. So, let's try another one of these things. For example, here we have some lens effects. Let's put this one here and see the change it makes in the video without me doing anything, just by adding it. So, check out the effect this has on the video. It doesn't look super flashy or like, wow, I need this, because it wouldn't apply to every video. I recommend this for someone who's maybe 100% into video or wants to get into it in the future, so they're not stressing about searching for effects on YouTube or Google, or figuring out how to download this flare package. Sometimes I find it really tricky to download these flares, which are like those lights that come out of nowhere. I find a lot of them in PNG format, not in video, and here we have it with effects, with animation, and everything. So I double-click it, and it starts loading. Let's see what we have here. Look, the video comes in such a way that I don't have to do anything. the video itself comes like this. I could just position it somewhere else if I wanted, like over here, or make it bigger. But this is just one of many. Let's go for another one because, like I said, the important thing here is this broken glass effect, which looks like a shattered video. I'm going to use it to make it look like the video is literally broken. So let's add this here, and it starts downloading. It's loading now, and look at this. It literally looks like something out of the movie Split. Super cool. The great thing about this is that I can edit it. I can change how big it is, whether I want the glass to be there or not, and I can add an effect. For example, I could look for broken glass sounds right when the screen shatters. And it's not just that. There are many other effects here. Oh look, broken text, like a text effect, super nice. Honestly, this saves me a ton of time, and to be completely honest, I mainly use this blogger pack, which is tailored for YouTubers. They sell it separately for about $30 or $40, but the thing is, this one is very focused on YouTubers and social media and all that. But I preferred to buy one called the Eye and All Bundle or something like that, which basically has a lot of extensions in one. So let's keep exploring here. This is for the NFT season when people wanted to promote NFTs a lot, so they released this. Let's keep looking here at this whiteboard effect. Look, this is for people who love making videos in this style where they have to do animations with drawings and don't want to draw themselves. They just don't feel like doing it. So let's add a video here. I'll leave it in this section and do something like I want to show you that this guy here is thinking. Let's say I'm making a tech video, and the guy here is thinking about something. Let's see, we'd have to modify it and put it over here. Not too small, let's say here. Let's play it and see how it looks. Look at the perfect drawing. There he is. And let's say the guy is thinking about buying a camera. So in my video, I put this in, and I'm piecing it together. So here it is. Let's remove this and put it here, and now the camera would appear. But I'd make the camera a bit smaller so it looks like he's the one thinking about it. So you can put the video here, and since his name is Ramon, he wants to buy a camera and doesn't know which one to get. That's why today I'm going to help you choose the best camera, and that's it. We can add something else, like textual elements and stuff. Let's look for text bubbles that are like bubbles that resemble thoughts. Oh, actually, this would have worked better in a more effective way than just showing the camera itself. I could put this here and have him discussing various topics and ideas. So let's move it over here. Let's get rid of this. And let's put in the text, what camera should I buy? What camera should I buy? Done. Perfect. And now instead of the camera, let this come out and we'll see how it comes out. Let's see if we hit play and it says, what camera should I buy? Could we move it a little so that it doesn't come out exactly in the center, but rather it comes out here and there it shows what camera should I buy. And now we can put the camera icon. I recommend you buy this plugin because it has so many features. It even has emojis you can try out, and it includes the pixels option, which I always recommend. This way, you don't have to go into the browser, download the video, and transfer it here. Instead, you can just do the same thing as the guy did. Let's type in camera and look for something. We can put this video here, it downloads, and then we can start talking. Just look how quick it is to make videos here. Of course, this has some rights, and you have to do certain things like credit what you're using. But you can right-click and reveal in the website. And well, if you want a professional camera, I'd say you shouldn't because there are semi-professional cameras. Let's try Paradise and see what comes up. This obviously has some rights and you have to do certain things like declare what you're using. But you can right-click on it and reveal it on the website and that will take you to the video link and you can copy it there if you want to give rights to people or contribution. And well, if you're thinking about getting a professional camera, I gotta tell you, you really shouldn't because there are semi-professional cameras like the one we're looking at that honestly looks super cool. For example, I can search here, but I don't know if it'll let us do it in Spanish, so let's try Paradise and see what comes up because I want to find something like a paradise. Something like these two people. So check this out, you just get creative as time goes by. Alright, here it is. If you want to buy a professional camera, should I tell you that you shouldn't do it because there are semi-professional cameras like the one we are seeing in the camera and these allow you to get super cool results as if it were a professional camera as you see. So it's like, alright, I'm literally finishing it up as I go along, narrating it as I do. That's what this type of plugin allows us to do. This isn't sold separately. You have to buy a specific plugin to get the Pexels feature. But you can all go to the website over here, look for products, and I recommend checking out the bundles. Why? Because the bundles include a lot of stuff in one package. Because the bundles come with a lot of things summarized. For example, for those who work in VFX, which are special effects, they have that. For those into photography and that kind of stuff, there are packs for that too. There's even one that's exclusive for Photoshop. I don't know if I showed you this one, but here it is. This one is 100% dedicated to Photoshop, where you can find tons of stuff. Well, the video isn't loading, but let's check the description on the website. As you can see, it includes icons, animated emojis, transitions, just a ton of things we could use in Photoshop. So with that said, friends, I'm going to leave the link for you to check this out. Honestly, I would recommend that anyone who can afford it should buy it because it has things that will save you a lot of time while working. With that said, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.